Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you the new digital file that was actually available last week and I just never got around to making a video, but it's mushrooms and this is called Mushrooms 1 and Mushrooms 2 and they're only available in our assorted files. So from apples and oranges, seasoned spices, like those assorted files. So they're sold as a bundle, so all 12 files, or you can get single files. Now, the difference is the single files, when he was designing these, he was going to put, maybe 2 rows or 3 rows of this mushroom and then 2 or 3 rows of this mushroom on one page. And I said, oh, but I love them so much. Can you please do a full sheet of one and the other, and then we can still sell them as a pair. So you actually get mushroom 1 and mushroom 2 for the $1.99. So this is apples and oranges. And I absolutely love them. Now, during the virtual crop, I use these, and what I notice is that this mushroom layers on this mushroom really well. Let me show you a page that we did yesterday with my patrons, and I used the mushroom 2 or mushroom 1. I can't remember which one is mushroom 1 and mushroom 2. And I overlaid mushroom 1 with it. And look how gorgeous that comes out. I love them. Every time he comes up with something new, I always say those are my favorite. But I have to say, I think these are my favorite. So this is apples and oranges. And just as a sideline, to get them all, so to get all 12, it's $7.15. And, when I get a package of embellishments and I go to use something, I'm always like, oh, I wish it was that color, or I wish it was this color. This covers all your color spectrums. You know what I mean? Like there's so many different colors. Here's Cozy Cafe. And in a few weeks, he's going to do different sizes. So then that'll fix the size issue too. So sometimes you want something a little smaller. So those will be perfect. And here's Cozy Cafe. Love the colors. And I love the texture that they have on them. And here's Pastel Paradise. So again, you get one of each in each file. And then here's Radiant Rainbow. Our plan right now is not to do all our colors. If there might be one, I was kind of talking about that today, maybe brown, because mushrooms, most of them are brownish. So I might get him to do a whole sheet of brown, because I love to use the brown one from Cozy Cafe to put it in the background. And then I like to put the colored ones over top. So we might do the brown one in this one, as a single file, but we'll see. So here's Radiant Rainbow. Here's Seasoned Spices. Love them. We were joking during the virtual crop because this one totally looks like he needs a face. So here's Seasoned Spices, and here's Summer Carnival. And because, like I said, I didn't get those out on a video soon enough last week, he's already working on the ones to be released this week. So here's a little sneaky peeky. This is mushroom 3. I only have 4 of them printed off right now. And he's working on mushroom 4. So there's going to be a separate bundle for these. Okay, I'm going to insert this as a side note, okay? Because I've had a few people contact me, and during the live, someone also asked if, if I can print these and send them off. And it's something that we have been looking at for a long time. And with the price of shipping, where it went kind of crazy in the last couple years, we kind of put it on the back burner. But I think things are kind of settling down. So in the description box below, if you could let me know if you'd be interested if we would print them and send them off. I'd have to figure out, you know, how much everything would cost and how much each sheet would be. So just let us know if that's something you'd be interested in. Maybe we can put a few out there just to see, you know, if there's enough interest, and maybe let me know like which files to start with, because we have, I think at this point, over 100 files. And if we do go this way, that we do digital and physical, then every time we would do a new print, then right away we would do the physical print. The issue right now is to go back and to do this for 100 and some files. That's going to take a minute. So which files would we start with? I'm thinking probably like the viewfinders, the circles, the labels, like start with the very first ones and go from there. And the people that did send me emails and stuff, you know, chime in and tell me which ones you'd be interested in, and maybe we can do a test. And then I can, you know, figure out how much shipping would be and if it's something that people would like. So that's it. These are our new digital files this week.